Hey guys, it's me, Kit the Explorer, and you're watching Kit Explores. We're gonna learn all about colors. Yeah! Did you know that whenever you see a color, it's actually that spectrum or part of light that is bouncing off a surface and hitting your eye? This hoodie is blue, and that means when the light hits this hoodie, the color blue bounces off of it and goes into your eyes so that you can see that it's blue. And light has all the different colors that you can see in it. That's why when it's rainy or misty outside, the little droplets of water break up the light and you see a rainbow, which is all the different colors that are in the light that we see every day. That's pretty amazing. And today we're gonna do a little experiment to learn about colors. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goblets, and we're gonna fill them with water. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 glasses full of water, and they're all clear. They don't have any colors reflecting back into your eyes, but we're gonna change that right now. And because it's a sciencey experiment, I'm gonna put on my goggles. I think we'll start with this color, red. Ooh, red. And on this next one, let's put yellow. Put 1, 2, we'll just put 2 in there. And this last one, we'll put in blue. 1, 2. Let's think about these 3 colors. Let's think about red. Can you say red? Ruh, ruh. It's where your tongue goes kind of back towards your throat. Red. It's the same sound that dogs make when they're growling at each other. Red. Try that. Can you think of other things that are red? These apples are red. So is this cool sports car. These birds are red too. This is yellow. Yellow. Can you say that? What things can you think of that are yellow? Ooh, a yellow airplane. Bananas are yellow too. Yummy. She's enjoying those bananas. This bulldozer is yellow. And how about this last color? Blue. Blue. That sound comes from your lips going blue. What can you think of that's blue? The sky is blue, and so is this blue putt-putt golf ball. The ocean is also blue. We have the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. Now we're gonna do a little science experiment, and I'm gonna have my helper, Miles, come and help me. Come over here, Miles. Can you say hi to everybody?
Hi.
So what we're going to do is we're going to mix these colors to see what other colors we can get from the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. So let's start by mixing red and yellow. What do you think? Sounds good to me too. Let's put on our science goggles. And here we go. Let's mix them. Let's see what happens. Maybe they'll explode. Whoa! It made a new color. We now have red and orange. That means that yellow and red make orange. Okay, now we're gonna put a couple drops of yellow into this so that we still have a yellow one. Now, what do you think would happen if we mixed blue and yellow? Let's find out. Oh man. Whoa! What do we have?
Yellow.
We've got green. Now we have red, orange, green, and yellow. But we've lost our blue, so let's make another blue. Here's one that we haven't tried yet. What happens when we mix blue with red? Should we try that? What do you think we'll get? I don't know. Let's give it a try.
Oh, purple.
Let's see what we get. Blue with red. Whoa, look at that. This turned purple. Wow, we'll put a little bit more water in there so it's easier to see. When we mixed red and blue, we got purple. Look at all these colors that we have now. We started with 3, red, yellow, and blue. Now we have purple, we have orange, we have green, we have yellow, we have blue, and we're out of glasses, so we don't have any room for red. but we have almost the whole rainbow. Should we snap our magic fingers and get another glass here? Snap with me. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, we've got a red one. We could probably take your goggles off now. Remember we already talked about things that are blue and yellow and red? What can you think of in the world that's green? Ooh, this chameleon is green. At least for now. Chameleons can change their colors. This forest is also green, at least the plants are, and so is this tractor. What about orange? What other things are colored orange? Pumpkins are orange, and so are oranges. That's why they're called oranges. How about purple? Can you think of anything that's colored purple? Plums are purple, and so are grapes. Yummy. This has been a pretty awesome episode because it was all about colors, and colors make our world so exciting and beautiful and fun to explore. Are you gonna go somewhere else? Thanks for visiting, Miles. Anyway, I'm so happy that you guys joined me, Kit the Explorer, and my helper Miles to explore color today and learn all about color and what colors come from mixing other colors. And we learned all about how colors are actually what's reflected back into your eyes when light hits an object. And if you tell your parents that, they'll be really, really impressed. And parents, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more fun and educational videos for your little ones. You can follow us on Instagram at Kit Explores or on Twitter at Kit Explores. We'll see you next time. Bye. Good job, Miles. We made a great video, didn't we? Thanks for helping me.
Oh. Can we do it on purpose?
You did that on purpose?
Me.
I hope not.